So I'm making this stewed chicken again. Alright y'all, this chicken about to come out. So I have the water going for the rice. I just put salt and butter in it. I left the drippings from the chicken with a little bit of grease. Y'all see that? Little bit of grease. I'm gonna add this whole colander of vegetables. You got bell pepper, whatever bell pepper you like. I put 2 of them in there. Some habanero peppers, serrano peppers, 2 of them. Garlic, herbs, the poultry herbs. Chicken bouillon, onion, carrots, mushroom, peppers. That's all that's in it. I'm gonna just add this to the pan. We got potatoes, mushrooms, onion, bell pepper, carrots, bouillon, mushroom, onion, herbs. The herbs is thyme, bay leaf, what's this? Forget, something else. But yep, just let that cook. You're going to add a little bit of broth to this, a little bit of milk, and a little bit of cornstarch to make a little gravy to it. I'm about to add the rice. Make sure y'all rinse y'all rice. Pour it in. I put a little cube of butter in it. I do like cooking with butter. I'm gonna let this go ahead and cook down. Y'all can season this. I always add garlic powder, onion powder. This complete seasoning got a few things in it. Garlic and onion, salt, spices. So the serrano pepper is gonna make it spicy. I'm gonna add some jerk seasoning. That's gonna have it spicy. Some of this Cajun seasoning gonna have it spicy as well. Little allspice. Crushed red pepper. Of course, y'all know when the rice comes to a boil, you can go ahead and cover it and put it on low. I'm gonna add this little curry seasoning to it. It says versatile, tangy red curry spice with lemongrass curry paste. I got about a tablespoon of that curry paste. This smells good, y'all. It does smell good. Hold on, one more thing. Put a little bit of brown sugar in there. Oh, that ain't a little bit. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Yes. This the cornstarch. Just a little sprinkle of that on there. Cause this gonna turn into like a sauce. I don't feel like opening another thing of broth. I'm not gonna open up another thing of broth, so I'm gonna just add water because I already added that liquid bouillon. That's gone. That's chicken broth. That's the same thing. I'm gonna add another cup of water. I'm gonna drop my chicken back in here and add the top to it and let it slow cook. I love this pot, y'all. It's humongous. I love it. What y'all think? Y'all think that's enough liquid in there? I'm gonna add one more cup because it's gonna cook out. You need enough water in there so that it boils this chicken down to where it's gonna start coming off the bone. This gonna cook for about an hour. Slow cook for about an hour, then it should be ready. Gonna close it up and let it do what it do. Do what it do tonight. I'm about to put these sun-dried tomatoes in it. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Alright, I'm done adding shit. I'm done adding stuff. This is the finished results. Chicken's pretty tender. I'm gonna just scoop some of this onto my plate like that. I'm greedy. I'm getting two. Cause I fasted all day. I ain't ate all day. This is my first meal. And my last. My first and my last. Look at it. Wet. Wet. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and dig in. You heard me? I'm satisfied. Splitter splatter.